Okay, we've been in business now for 30 years, okay? And in those 30 years, we've done numerous boat shows, all up and down the East Coast. We stopped doing boat shows back in the pandemic, and I figured, 25 years, that's enough of the boat shows. I pretty much had it. But I want to point out a couple of things that over the years I've noticed about some of these tackle suppliers and whatnot. You know, eh, a lot of them, they're not very legitimate and so forth. Okay, I've seen, witnessed, heard, watched. Okay, poor people going into their display and whatnot and asking a simple question. What do you have for catching bluefin tuna? Right. So they go over there and they pick a lure out off the back of their display, and this is, you need this for bluefin tuna. No question about it. That's the, well, what do I need for yellowfin tuna? Oh, for yellowfin tuna, right? You've got to have something like this, like that. Well, what do I need for dolphin? Oh, dolphin, you got to have this one and so forth. And it's such bull. I mean, it really is. This poor guy, he's asking for advice and so forth. I'm telling you that there is no one specific lure for bluefin tuna, another specific lure for yellowfin tuna, and so on and whatnot. Okay, the simple answer, okay, as to what I need is, okay, is, they all attract fish and whatnot. If you're in an area where the fish are and they're hungry, you could drag a freaking hot dog and they'll eat it, okay? So, I want you to just to be a little bit more aware, of what you're being told, okay? And, in the back of your mind, start thinking about common sense. That doesn't make sense, that a bluefin tuna is going to hit this thing and nothing else. It's crazy. So just give it a little bit of thought and whatnot next time you're looking for advice or lures or whatever. That's it.